What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing basically styling my hair. The previous video you saw me detangle it, and now I'm doing the styling. So what I'm using to style is the Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner, which I added in the shower and I was able to use it up. Trying to use up the stash. And I am going to top it with the Tropical Moringa Pearly Braid Glaze. Again, trying to use up my stash. Plus, I got a pretty good wash and go with this the last time I used it. I'll leave that video here. So I wanted to see if I get the same results. And this usually gives me pretty good hair. Fluffy like I like it. No crunch like I like, and moisture, you know. So hoping that I can get the days out of this that I need, because I don't want to have to do my hair before our family get together. We're having a family get together coming up. So anyway, so yeah, I am going to use those products. This guys, if you've seen the Pearly Braid Glaze before, you know it's kind of a taffy or gooey type consistency. Smells, they say tropical. I mean, it's artificial to me. It's all right. I can see why they say tropical, but it's not the tropical that I want to smell all the time. But it's not bad. It can be a little strong if you're sensitive to smells, so I'll put it that way. But it gives a good wash and go. It's very similar color and everything to the Main Crush Curl Teeny that I used not too long ago. They give me very similar results in a wash and go, and you guys know that I like it too, and I'm actually out of it. So like I said, the leave-in is already in my hair. Okay, so as you can see, my curls are intact. I'm just coming off of having my hair blown out, and so my curls are intact, which is what I was hoping for. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start applying this. You guys have seen me apply gel before. If you haven't, please consider taking a look at my wash and go playlist so you can see how I apply products and what combos I've already done. The playlist is on my channel. But for those of you who've already seen me do it, I'm not gonna belabor it. I'm just going to apply and speed it up, because this technically isn't a review, so I'm not going to go through, you know, ingredients and all that kind of stuff. This combo has already been done on my channel, so if you're interested in all that, please go search Pearly Braid Glaze and it'll come up. So yeah, alrighty, just vibe out.
Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay a moment with me. Finally don't get no. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon. Stay in the moon with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the frame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment of me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in late, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Okay guys, I'm done. I don't know what the front of my hair is doing, but anyway, got it all applied. I do want to say that I think I used more than what I needed to. I don't think I needed to use that much, so I'm hoping I don't get flaky, because as I was doing it, I started thinking to myself, I think when I used this combo before, it was a subscriber wash and go. I was not real familiar with this, so I went light-handed on it, and I still got a pretty good wash and go. So, and don't get me wrong, I've used it a couple times, but one time I got a little bit of dusting, and but the time I did it with the subscriber, I didn't. So I want to think that I may have used a little bit too much, so I may get some dusting. I'm not sure. The other thing, I think in the beginning of this video, I said that I had just detangled my hair, and now I was styling. I misspoke. I just came back from having my hair stretched, and I reverted my hair, and now I'm styling from that, from my hair being reverted. So I'll put that video here, not me detangling, if that's what I said. I can't remember because I'm sitting here and I have not played it back. So I just wanted to clarify that, because this video is going to come well after me doing a detangle video. So just want to let you know that. So I am getting ready to sit under the dryer. I'll be back when it's dry to show you the results, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am back and I've stretched my hair, and this is what it's looking like. So it is a softer hold, which I told you. So when I stretch, it does stretch out the curls, you know, a lot more than some of the harder holding gels, and that's okay with me because I don't mind, you know, having bigger hair. So I like these two together. As you can see, I do have on my black shirt. I'm not showing you guys. I have on my black shirt and I have no flaking. So that's great. So I thought that I was a little heavy-handed with this, but maybe not. So these two work very well together. This is a good combo. Like I said, I've used this up, but I just kept it because I wanted to make sure that you guys saw the bottle. So this is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Leave-In Conditioner with the Main Choice Pearly Braid Out Glaze. And I like it. My hair is very soft. There is no crunch at all. There was no crunch when I got from under the dryer. There was no crunch before I stretched it. There's no crunch right now. So, but it's still defined. It's still clumped. There's not a whole lot of shine. My hair just looks regular. So that's fine. You can always add something to add shine to your hair if you want it to be a little bit more shiny. If you like a hard, crunchy hold, then this combination is not for you. If you like a more moisturized, soft hold, then maybe so. I will say, even though this is soft, my hair lasts with this combination. Like I said, I'm going to link the video in the cards, and you can see that I came back on day 3 I believe, and my hair was still defined. I actually have a couple videos using the Pearly Braid out glaze. I just use different leave-ins, so I'll try to link both of those if I have room in the cards, so you can check it out for yourself. So I am not worried about this hairstyle lasting for the amount of days that I need it to last for. But you know, if you are someone, like I said, who lives in, you know, real humid weather, your hair just gets big, you know, and you need a harder hold, or you feel like you need a harder hold to get you through the week of work or whatever, then, you know, you take your chances on it. But even though you don't have any crunch, I still feel like the hold is there, if you know what I mean. Hold don't necessarily mean crunch, and that's where some people make a mistake. They feel like if it's not crunchy, it doesn't have hold. No, your hair can be soft and still have hold and keep the definition. You guys have seen it on my channel many times, so there you go. Let me just go ahead and tell you what's on my lips, because sometimes you guys ask and I forget to put it in the comments. So what I have on my lips today is the Wet n Wild lip liner in the color Chestnut. So it looks like this. And then I have on my lips the Revlon lipstick in the color Hot Chocolate. So that's what's on my lips. Since I went with lighter makeup, I kind of went with a bolder lip, since it's, you know, it's fall or whatever. So, you know, so yeah guys, that is my hair. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.